Welcome to my world here on the internet. I'm your host, Moses Beauchamp Jr. And today we are talking about the 6 internet marketing myths that most people have today. That's what we're going to be talking about today. My good friend Andrew, he's going to break it down for you. So be sure to hit that like, alright? And welcome Mr. Andrew to the show.
Thanks for having me, Mo. Every day thousands of people go online to make money, but most of them fail miserably because they either truly believe one of the 6 internet marketing myths or all of them. You can read them below and discover the grain of salt in all of them. Myth number 1, internet marketing is easy. This is probably the biggest myth of all, and let me tell you, internet marketing is hard, takes time, effort, not mention money, and anyone who suggests otherwise is trying to sell you a bunch of horse hockey. Granted that it's comparatively easier to brick and mortar in that there's no inventory to carry, no shipping of goods, no sales staff, and virtually no overhead, but a lot of work is still involved. Myth number 2, anyone can make money online, folks. This is simply not true. Unless someone gets off their lazy boy recliner and read everything they can about internet marketing, and put an action plan in motion, they will never make a dime on the internet. Do nothing, make nothing. Myth number 3, you can get rich quick on the net. This is the trap that a lot of newbie internet marketers falls into, including myself when I first started. Why? Because scammers make it sound so easy, and let me tell you, chasing get-rich-quick scheme is a waste of time, money and energy. It just won't happen overnight. Instead, do some research and find out what people really want and need, then give it to them, especially a sense of reality. Myth number 4, it's free to do business online. This is one of my favorite myths because I believed it during my first year of internet marketing, and it just wasn't true then. It isn't true today. Compared to opening your first coffee shop or gift shop in downtown Los Angeles, internet business startup cost and maintenance cost is pretty low. Once you have your domain set up, you only pay for internet connection, advertising, and ongoing educations. That's it. You can't expect to make money selling free stuff and ask others to do the same. Folks, it takes money to make money. Myth number 5, it's too late to start an internet business. Most internet marketers would love to hear people say, it's too late now, too many competitions, I should just pack my bags and go home, the internet is too complicated, etc. You know why? The less people they have to compete with, the better, which in turn will make them more money. The fact is, it's never ever too late to start anything, and that includes internet business. I firmly believe that the internet is not going anywhere, and you should too. Every year the stats will show you the number of people shopping online are increasing, their spending dollars are growing, and the number of people going online is increasing also. Myth number 6, the big money talk is just hype. As I've told you before, it takes money to make money. Well, it's true, although you will be hard-pressed to find experienced internet marketers to tell how much they spend on promoting and advertising. Sometimes, you have to dig a little deeper to find the truth in every hype you read. It's a fact that the people that makes a lot of money online also spends a lot of money on advertising, tools, resources, and know how to get the job done. If you are willing to take the necessary action to make big money happen for you, it will. It takes time. You can criticize, be skeptical, and sure that big money can't happen for you, and it won't. Sit down and write a financial and a sound business plan. Local Chamber of Commerce can give all the info you need to get started. If you believe that you will succeed, you're right. If you believe that it won't work, you're right also. To summarize, you have heard people's story how they're making a fortune on the internet and how easy it is, but the reality is some stories are not out of this world or unrealistic, but it just doesn't happen overnight. You just have to apply a bit of common sense into it, find what you love to do, have a game plan, stay focused, and you, my friend, might find the right opportunity to make all your dreams come true.
Alright. Thank you for stopping through, Mr. Andrew. and breaking it down to the people about these 6 myths. Alright? My good friends, if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and of course that like button and support your boy. I'll catch y'all on the next one. One love.